Hi friends, welcome to 3645 Palmer Drive in Rocky River, our open house. This is a beautiful house, split level home, built in 1970s and has 23 spacious square feet. So if you are looking for a quiet space in Rocky River, this is your neighborhood. As you walk in, there's a beautiful living space, a living room for the kings. Absolutely gorgeous. As you walk in, on the left hand side, attached is the wonderful dining area. Here we have the kitchen. The kitchen does need to be remodeled. It has all of the essentials at the moment, but it will benefit for it has very good utilities. The fridge and the stove and everything stayed. However, it could benefit from TLC, if you would like. So right here we have a very nice den for those of us who likes family time. This absolutely gorgeous space is marvelous with the fireplace. And here we have a restroom and an attached bedroom, which could serve as a downstairs office. And it could be either your office closet or a living space closet. It's your choice. Here right now we're gonna go up and check out the other 3 bedrooms upstairs with nice walk-in closets. So it is, as we said, split level. There's a smaller of the 3 bedrooms up on the upper level. And there's a small closet. It's perfect for a little boy or a guest room. And here's a bigger room with 2 closets, nice spacious, and very nice space with its own restroom and a sink, and it's a Jack and Jill bathroom. So here we have a master bedroom, the largest room in the house, the largest bedroom in the house, with a smaller closet for a one-person partner. And we have a nice walk-in closet for another person. Absolutely gorgeous. And a sink. There's our utilities that we always need. So thank you so much for taking a trip with us to the open house at 2645 Palmer Drive. This house is very motivated sellers. So has very good bones. So if you are interested, submit an offer, whatever you think this house is worth, and it will be considered. Thank you so much. You have a great day.